What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am still in Las Vegas and I'm going to explore one of the hottest, newest attractions here in Las Vegas, the place to be. Come on, I can't wait to show it to you. I am at Area 15 here in Las Vegas. There's some crazy stuff here, but I came for one specific attraction, and that is Meow Wolf, the Omega Mart. Now, I've heard great things about it, but just at the entrance, I am perplexed at the stuff they have here. Like this one right here. That's either a bar or a restaurant. Those people are all the way up there. So cool. A couple things before we dive in. I do want to let you guys know that a ticket is required to get into Area 15. That ticket is free. You just have to go online and get that ticket. That way they let you in, and then everything else in there has a cost to it. Meow Wolf is $59.99. That's what I'm doing. And you want to arrive, they say 15 minutes before your time to go in, which is 3:20 p.m. So far, super impressed, but here's the Omega Mart. We're gonna head in just a few minutes. So here's the entrance to the Omega Mart. I cannot wait to see what is inside for us. So I've made it inside the Omega Mart. There's all kinds of crazy stuff in here, so I'm going to show you as much as I can.
What Dreamcorp has gotten away with up until now is just the tip of the iceberg. Charlie Dream.
This is fun. I gotta tell you, I really don't have a clue what's going on here, but it is so crazy, weird, and different. This is absolutely amazing.
Hey, we'll catch up with you guys.
I feel like all these amazing colors and everything that are just going on behind the background is like a photographer's dream. Check out my Instagram. You're gonna see several pictures that I took in here. This is just so cool. I'm in the break room here at the Omega Mart, and I found something a little weird with these lockers. Oh, there's a door.
My experience here does not include modern day culture references. I do like ice cream though.
walk into this supermarket that's got some really cool, funny, crazy stuff, but then the rest of it is like a psychedelic trip where you didn't take anything for it. I don't know how else to describe it, but you must go. It's worth the $50. Well, I just got kicked out of Area 15. Adobe has bought the place out for tonight, and it closed like 20 minutes ago. So I got out of the Omega Mart. Man, is this what it feels like after you've been on a trip? I have no idea. I mean, I am feeling spaced out. Wow. So I got kicked out. I was gonna go, you know, see what the other stuff was around, and yeah, they said I had to leave, but apparently I must have talked to the wrong person, because I didn't notice on the website that they were closing. The lady gave me a free attraction pass, so next time I'm in Vegas I will be coming back by. But I'm going to show you the courtyard. This is really cool. They've got it closed off now, but this is the actual entrance. You can see right over there you've got like a man and woman statue thing. We have like a robot that like fell down or something, and then I don't know what this shipping container is. Pretty wild, I'm sure. And then right over there we have another car that is made out of random metal. I don't know, there's no way you guys had as much fun as I just did. If you enjoyed this video, give me the thumbs up, the like button, I guess that's the same thing, subscribe, and yeah, that was fun. That was wild. Come do this when next time you're in Vegas.